Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with the insurance store for policy servicing enrollment, full guide step by step clearly. To register with the insurance store for policy servicing enrollment, start by visiting their official website. Look for the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to be redirected to the registration form. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. This typically includes your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the website's security requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree to them, check the box indicating your acceptance. You may also need to provide additional details, such as your policy number or type of coverage. Once all necessary information is completed, review your entries for accuracy. Click the Submit button to finalize your registration. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your information. Open the email and follow the provided link to verify your account. After verification, log back into your account using your registered email and password. Navigate to the Policy Servicing section within your account dashboard. Follow any additional prompts to enroll in policy servicing options. Once completed, you will have access to manage your policies online. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.